Assalamualaikum, I'm Councillor Salma Arif. I'm one of the councillors in Leeds for Gipton Harehills. I'm in Essar today and I'm visiting a local institution called HarehillsAl.Falah Society who are based here in Essar. Alhamdulillah, I'm really impressed coming here. HarehillsAl Society does incredible work supporting the poor in particular. Today we've got an eye camp on where people from the local area are here for free treatment, laser treatment are being shown by the local doctors in terms of the facilities that they have here. Not only the facilities, but actually I've met with the local doctor, Dr. Maryam Abdul-Beg, who's actually talked to me about the care that's provided. Dr. Maryam, you're quite new to this hospital. Tell us a little bit about the work that we do here at HarehillsAl.
So basically, we're of the population around it. It basically helps with the mother and child healthcare center. But we offer develop camps like eye camp, free medical camp, just for the welfare of the population that is around us. Because you know the situation in Pakistan that we have like fluoridation.
Yes.
Not everyone can afford free healthcare, so we work for the betterment of the providing free healthcare to them.
Brilliant, and it's fantastic to see doctors like Maryam who are committed, who were from this area, got an education, and now back here in HarehillsAl, ensuring that they are inspiring the next generation of good doctors as well. So thank you so much. I also want to say to the overseas Pakistani living in Leeds and beyond, thank you for your support for HarehillsAl Society. It's making a real difference. I want to thank Brother Ayub and Brother for all their support. It's really important we continue to do this because it's really important we support our local community here as well.